Mr. Speaker, civil works on phase 1 of the Nkommo Wo Ho Fisheries College project is complete, and enrollment and training of students will commence by end of the year. As part of efforts to prevent diversion and hoarding of premix fuel, which results in acute shortages, 37 out of a target of 50 premix automated vending machines were installed in various landing beaches at Elmina, Choko, and Nongwa, among others. Government will install the remaining 13 automated vending machines by end of the year at various landing beaches across the country. Government has also piloted the use of electronic monitoring systems on trawlers to help check illegal, unreported, and unregulated fishing practices.